read out their rulings when delivering their verdicts, unlike in 2013 when a short verdict was read out by the former Chief Justice Dr. Willie Mutunga. Duncan Haemba has these details.
NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his chief agent and NASA co-principal Musalia Mudavadi were here at the county of Mombasa for the swearing-in of Governor Ali Hassan Joho at the Mama Ngina Drive. It was the only inauguration ceremony he was attending, and Odinga explained why he was there.
Tumefika wakati ambaye wa Kenya mpaka waamke. Hii wizi ya kura mpaka ishe. Wizi ya kura mpaka ishe. Hii wizi ndio wa mwisho, na tutakubali wale viongozi ambao wametengenezwa na kompyuta waendelea kututawala. Hatutakubali. We shall not accept and move on. We shall not accept and move on. Hivyo kutoka Mombasa kuelekea bara ya Kenya yote, tunaambia Wakenya ya kwamba wakati imewadia wao kusimama ili watetee haki yao.
A tough-talking opposition chief says they will neither retreat nor surrender.
We will defend our political rights and democratic space. Let the agents of foreign powers exhorting us to accept and move on so that they can continue to have lackeys to do their bidding know that we will not accept inferior governance. We will resist and disobey illegitimate computer-generated leaders, and will not relent until the voices of the people, as expressed through the ballot, are heard and respected.
In what seems a calculated move to pile pressure on the Supreme Court, they placed a new demand.
Wakati huu tunataka tuone judgment ya kila judge wa Supreme Court. Hatutaki baada ya siku chache tuambiwe kwamba judgment ni ya dakika 2 alafu watu wanaondoka kwa podium.
We will defend our political rights and democratic space. Let the agents of foreign powers exhorting us to accept and move on so that they can continue to have lackeys to do their bidding know that we will not accept inferior governance.
Mombasa Governor Hassan Joho had set the stage earlier for NASA's bombshell.
For us to prosper, tunataka usalama na amani, sivyo? But that doesn't mean we cannot defend what rightfully belongs to us using peaceful and constitutional means. And therefore, like I said earlier, viongozi tutatoa mwongozo on how we're going to be moving forward.
We do not want to have our democracy castrated so that when people go to the polls, they are engaging in an impotent exercise.
We now find ourselves sharply divided between those who want us to accept and move on and those who are not prepared to live under authoritarianism of any kind. Dictatorships, once established, do not reform themselves. We belong to the category of those who refuse to give up our basic rights and civil liberties.
NASA's tough stand comes a week before the Supreme Court officially starts hearing their petition in which they are challenging President Uhuru Kenyatta's re-election. Duncan Haemba, KTN News.
And I just want to bring in my colleague Duncan Haemba, who's joining us from our City Centre studio to delve deeper into the NASA petition. I beg your pardon, not Duncan, but Murimi Mwangi. Murimi, thank you very much for joining us. So very interesting remarks that were made yesterday by the NASA